Mr. Stripey Head, he's so good and bad. You should give him head, suck his wiener.
G'day guys, how's it going? This is Wednesday, first day of what's predicted to be some major flooding. So I've come back to my uncle's place, which I was up till 5 AM yesterday, helped move all the furniture out. So I'm feeling a bit weary. I've got to wear the sunglasses because my eyes are bulging out my head. Here, I'll show you. Anyway, this is where my uncle lives down here. I'll see how close I can get to his house. Three hours ago, these streets had no water in them at all, except this one over here. But as you can see, in the 3 hours, it's come up to my waist in height, and it is predicted to rise meters more. Tomorrow being the worst day, so there are people still evacuating from their houses, trying to get out what they can because these places are going under. In a few hours, no doubt, these places will be like this. And in a few hours, these places will be like this. Where these traffic lights are is the only route to the suburbs beyond it. Some people weren't even able to come home last night after work, so they've been trapped on this side with their family and children on the other sides, or even worse, with their babysitter with their kids, and they're on this side of the water and there's nothing they can do. 3 hours ago my car was parked right here as I helped empty my uncle's house, which is right here. We tried to shift what we could to higher ground. He said his furniture would sink. It's inside the house. There's a fridge floating. There's a lounge there floating in the kitchen. It's just amazing that just a few hours ago I was walking on dry land and now it's totally underwater. And they say tomorrow is going to be the worst day. My uncle's neighbours just bought this house 2 months ago. Poor bastards. And it's not just homes that are affected, it's businesses as well. Look at this hairdressers.
That looks good. That looks like... Look, Kate. Oh! You got that too.
And check out this old guy in the white hat. His priority was to save his favourite bottle of whiskey. Wow.
And then, this is probably the piano. Oh.
The other way around? No. It's even worse.
Well, as you can see, these floods are affecting quite a few people. and this is just in this one little area. But the good thing is, it seems like everyone is pitching in and helping everyone out. People are come down with their utes and their trucks to help shift furniture and their boats as well. So it's all good. Everyone seems to be in a fairly jovial mood, I guess. There aren't any people standing around whinging and crying. They're just putting their heads down and getting to it, and getting the job done. The good old Aussie way. Rightio. Well, these floodwaters are still rising. They've come right across the road now, so there's a long way to go on this flood.
Stripey